Hey guys, I hope you all well. As you see, I'm not wearing any makeup yet. So what I'm gonna do a quick review of this LA Girl PRO.prep HD High Definition Smoothing Face Primer. It says that it helps smooth and fill in fine lines and pores. Plus it's enriched with vitamin E, which is amazing for your skin. I mean, if you've been following my channel for a while, you guys would know how problematic my skin is. Oily, big pores. I do start to get fine lines. I mean, maybe it's, crow's feet, whatever it's called. Like, I get in here, like this part. Maybe it's from laughing, I don't know. Anyways, so I mostly get in here, or if I move my forehead, I get in here. So it is fine lines, right? And this primer says that it helps smooth and fill in fine lines and pores. I do have big pores, so high expectations, you guys. High expectations. This is the first time, by the way, for me trying the LA Girl primer. I tried recently the LA Girl lippy. I'm gonna put this in there so you guys can check it out. Okay, so without any further ado, let's check this out. It's still sealed in this original like seal thing, like a plastic thing. I'm just gonna put this. Okay, let's see, guys. This looks like a silicone base primer. Am I correct? We shall see soon. Let's apply on the face. I usually apply primers using my fingers. Like, I don't use brush for that, but if you prefer, you can use a brush. You know, it's completely up to you. This feels very silicone-ish. It does feel like silicone primer, but oh my god, you guys! Wow, wow. It literally feels like my pores smoothed out. Like, I just applied now on this part, like where his nose. I have big pores around here. This is my super oily zone normally. You guys, like, ignore the redness and all, but wow, my skin feels super smooth. I'm just gonna apply a bit more. Oh, wow, you guys, very intrigued so far. Oh man, we're gonna see how it's gonna work, you know, throughout the day. I'm gonna come back to you after wearing this all day long. Wowzers, you guys, so far it feels amazing on the skin. Like, the second it touches my skin surface gets super smooth. Like, there's no bumps, like, you know, because I have like a little texture. That's the word I was looking for. Like, we all have a texture on the skin. This just smooths it out. Like, wow. The only thing I can say is wow. Like, this actually primer reminds me of the Conceal and Fix Mattifying Primer by Revolution. Reminds me a lot, actually. The texture, the way it glides on the face, the way it smooths out all the pores and everything. Yeah, this reminds me a lot of this Revolution one. Alright, so what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna do my eye makeup, apply foundation, and I'm gonna come back to you to see how this is gonna bond with foundation and know how it's gonna look underneath foundation. If we're still gonna see no texture, or my skin gonna look super smooth. I was actually thinking today to do the LA Girl Pro Matte High Definition Long Wear Foundation review as well, but then I thought maybe it's not the best to do review of both, like all day wear review of both items, because I wouldn't know which one would work better or anything. So I'm just gonna go with this primer today and NYX Cancer One Stop Foundation. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna come back to you to see how it looks under the foundation, and then wear it all day and see if my skin still looks super smooth and, you know, you can't see pores and all the jazz. So yeah, I'm gonna do foundation, come back to you in a second. Alright, so I applied the foundation and the concealer, and to be honest, this feels like very strange. Like, I'm always super brutally honest with my reviews. I'll say what I think. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. This primer, when I applied it on, my skin felt like, whoa, like super smooth and all. Then applying foundation, because I used the NYX Cancer One Stop Foundation, which is water-based. The primer is more of a silicone base. I was talking about this in my previous videos, that you should match your foundation with your primer. So silicone with silicone, water with water, for it to bond. So therefore, wear better. I clearly didn't, you know, follow up my own advice. Eating my words now. So primer is silicone, my foundation is water. That's why it was hard to bond it. Like, I felt like my foundation kept moving rather than, you know, sitting nicely. Eventually it did though, like it's sitting nicely now. So I'm gonna finish doing my makeup. I'm gonna wear this all day long. It's early in the morning now. Always do my makeup early in the morning, film my videos early in the morning. So far, I don't know. I thought I'm just gonna quickly jump in and show you how the makeup looks just after application. So far, it actually looks really good. Like I was failing it, you know, a second ago when I just applied the foundation because I found it harder to blend foundation. I felt like it was moving around rather than sticking on. But now, like, after having foundation and setting powder and all, it looks pretty good. Like my skin looks really smooth. Guys, like, look at that. My skin looks like super smooth. If only you could like feel my skin. It feels super smooth, like velvety smooth. So I'm gonna wear this all day long. It's still early in the morning. Come back to use to see how it's gonna look just before I'm gonna remove my makeup and go to sleep. So I'm not gonna touch up. I'm not gonna do any, you know, blocking or anything. So yeah, see you soon. Okay, so I've been wearing this makeup now all day long. I started filming this video 8 in the morning. Now it's already after 8 in the evening, so basically I wore this primer for 12 hours now, right? I didn't do any touch-ups to my face. I just topped it up my lipping after food because it's not a real super long wear lipstick. Yeah, so the only thing that I topped up was my lipping, the rest like I didn't touch. And thinking of that, after 12 hours, I think my face looks pretty good. Like I'm looking at the mirror. When I just applied it on, it felt super like amazing. My skin felt super smooth. You guys see my reaction. Then I was applying foundation. Shame I actually didn't film that part. I was really angry because my foundation was just kind of moving around. It didn't really want to stuck on because this primer is silicone based. But then I actually managed to blend it all on. You know, like foundation is there as you can see. Yeah, like it looks good after 12-hour wear if you think. And I've been outside, it was windy and it was sunny and all. Yeah, no touch-ups. I mean, if you look closer, my skin does look a bit, you know, oily in these parts and the chin. Because I was wearing mask as well, because you know, you need to wear masks everywhere. So yeah, a chin a bit kind of rubbed off. This part looks oily, and you know, my T-zone, because I have super oily skin, like really oily skin. So I don't know what's my verdict about it. I mean, it definitely works. Actually does everything what it promises on the packaging, so for that reason I can't fail it. And I'm just gonna let you guys judge of what you think. I think it looks great actually after 12-hour wear. Like, you know, it's not bad. Might look a bit tired, but you know, I had a long day. Yeah, I think it looks great actually. So I guess it's a thumbs up from me for this product. I'll let you guys judge. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. And if you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. And leave a comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see next up on my channel. Should I do more reviews or more tutorials? And I shall see you very soon. Thank you so much for watching and bye. Have an amazing day, guys.